All right, in this YouTube video, we're gonna show you how to clean your condenser coils in 3 easy levels from toddler, teenage to pro. So your coils do not end up like your last relationship, dirty, ignored, and making weird noises. Let's get started, guys.
In a world where AC units suffocate under layers of dirt, one tiny hero rises. But wait, the coils are here, not on the ground. Okay, there you go. Armed with nothing but a water hose. So easy. A 4-year-old can do it. But ask yourself, is it really clean?
You did such a great job, you're gonna get a mystery gift. Ooh, you got Play-Doh and slime. Your mom's gonna have fun cleaning that. Now you upgraded from toddler to teenager. You know, the teenagers that think they're too cool to clean until their mom shuts off their Wi-Fi. First safety tip is you wanna turn off the disconnect box so there's no energy. Now, let's get started. You ready, man?
Ready.
My name is Jose, and I'm going to wash these coils, like my mom washes dishes when she's mad at my dad. Let's get started.
Armed with just a water hose and a coil cleaner from Amazon or your local hardware store. 2 tools, 1 mission. Save the summer.
All right, Batman is spraying the coil cleaner from the bottom to the top, and we're gonna give it 5 to 10 minutes, even 15, depending on the instructions of your coil cleaner. After that, we're gonna come and spray it off. All right, man, now that you're done rinsing, here goes your prize. You ready? All right, let me see what you got. Okay, B-Bucks, all right. Woo, there you go.
I am not a hero, but I do clean coils for V-Bucks. If you will excuse me, I must go to my room cave.
Okay, you made it a pro level. Now me and my dog Mantequilla, my little bulldog, we're gonna teach you what you actually need to clean coils like a pro, okay? You need water. You need something to spray down your coils. You need coil cleaner. We're gonna get into how you need to dilute it. Gloves and a shop vac. Really important that you use the shop vac before you clean your unit. You wanna vacuum everything inside of the unit before you clean. And also,
Hey, George, do not forget a drill or driver. Most AC units use 1/4 or 5/16 and waterproof shoes. Because look at him, horrible, the pro, wearing aloe shoes to clean a coil. Now, back to you.
safety glasses, because having eyeballs is pretty cool if I might say so myself. These aren't safety glasses, but they look pretty cute, okay? So now, let's get into the dilution, all right?
For heavy-duty cleaning, mix 4 parts water to 1 part cleaner. For lighter jobs, go 6-to-1 or 8-to-1 for the lightest touch. In this video, we're using a 1-to-1 mix so you can really see the fumes and how the cleaner works. The process is the same. We just want to show its full strength. We got this concentrated cleaner on Amazon. Super easy to find, like bad advice on TikTok. Now, back to the video.
Oh my God, Daddy, you know how to clean coils? Show me how to clean coils.
Actually, I do. Hey, Mantequilla, get away from here. Yeah, I'm trying to do something. Yeah, look. Do not be like AI George, okay? 2 things that we could take away is, first, keep all pets away from the condenser. You do not want them playing around the condenser juice, even worse yet, drinking it. Second, stay focused no matter what. And the last safety tip is turn off your electrical from your disconnect or your main breakers, okay? Now, we're gonna get into how to open up a unit like a pro. Okay, now that you have all your supplies, it's time to open up this unit like a pro. I recommend getting this tool. This tool right here is something I found on Amazon. It has most of the sizes that most ACs have. You see it just jumps up and down. And you wanna take off all your screws really careful, okay? You wanna make sure you take off all your screws. Another important pro tip, look at your fan, all right? You wanna open it from the opposite side of where the wires are located. So this one is here, so we're gonna open it this way. So we're gonna open it like this, and it's also really important, you might want help. 2 people is better than 1, so they can hold it, because this is really delicate, especially your fan. These blades, they bend, and this top could fall. Now your fins, look at your fins. Good, a close-up of the fins. They're extremely delicate, kind of like your emotions when your crush says, let's just be friends. That delicate, all right? You wanna make sure you think about your shop vac before you go in here, because you do not want to get this all wet and now you have mud. Because come here, look at this. Water and all that in your shop vac, horrible, horrible. And you also wanna think about, how am I gonna get into my system? Now this system is small, but look at that other system beside me. Big. So are you gonna use a step ladder, or are you gonna use a shop vac with a large hose? What you do not want to do is, let me jump in here, because you could fall, bang your coil, and you have a Freon leak. So we got this to show you a 3D look at something like the drip pan. Let me show them the drip pan. The drip pan has all those little holes. You see those little holes? Let me show you how they work. All right, we're gonna go in here and gently push this to the side. Now you have those little drains. You want to make sure you clean all those little drains. So let's give them another look. You want to make sure you get those drains clean. And when you're cleaning your coils, this is really important. You're trying to move the dirt out, right? So you want to spray inside out. Spray the inside first so you can push all that dirt and grime out. Now we use 2 types of cleaners. We have the spray and we have the concentrate. Either one works, but this will get all that dirt out. Now, time to start cleaning this unit like a pro. See, this one's broken. See that? Imagine that in your eyes. So be real careful. And what you want to do, you want to spray it from the bottom up. Bottom up, let it foam up. And now I want you to think about this, right? If you want to do a deep clean and you want to get inside, what you do not want to do is spray the outside first. You want to take off the top and go inside, vacuum before you do all this.
Now this is where the magic happens. Look at that foam. Look, it's breaking down all the grime deep inside the coil. You can actually see it working. Now we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the foam can break down all the gunk. Gently open the coil panels to expose the interior. Show it real love, not the kind your mom found at Applebee's. But anyways, he is just showing you his condenser has 2 coils. Do not use high pressure unless you want your coils to end up like your mom after dating a gym trainer, cracked, bent, and crying. In this video, we're using a concentrated version straight out of the bottle so you can see the action. But don't worry, the process is the same, even if you dilute it. Just remember, it's time to rinse, like your system's life depends on it, because it kind of does. If you leave that chemical sitting in there, it will chew through the coil like your cousin chews through payday. So, rinse thoroughly, top down, nice and easy. Now, all you have to do is close up the panel. Be really careful. Make sure everything is aligned and secured properly. But most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
All right, hopefully you learned how to clean coils like a pro. So whether you're level 1, 2, or 3, at least you're doing maintenance on your unit. That's the most important part. But if you want to go pro level, look at my coils, they're beautiful, all right? So if you like what you've seen, please comment, like, and subscribe. Comment below on future videos you want to see. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.